Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Roll. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. So, we are dealing with grade 11 general mathematics, numbers and algebra, quarter 1. We are now in lesson 2, dealing with monthly wages from an annual salary. Intended learning outcomes. The By the end of this lesson, students should be able to identify the relationship between annual salary and monthly wage. Number three, I Number two, identify the relationship between annual salary and monthly wage. Number three, apply the formula for computing monthly wage from an annual salary. Number four, solve problems involving monthly wage computation. Number five, analyze real life situations to compare and interpret salaries given in different forms. In everyday life, salaries are often discussed either um, annual per year or monthly per month. While some companies advertise jobs with annual salaries, most people plan their budgets and pay their bills monthly. That's why it is important to know how to convert an annual salary into a monthly wage. This skill will help you better understand job offers, compare salaries, and manage your finances effectively. When people are hired for a job, their pay may be given in annual terms, monthly terms, or sometimes weekly terms per week. In lesson number 1, we learn how to compute weekly wages from annual salary. In this lesson, we focus on monthly wages. Understanding how to convert an annual salary into a monthly salary week wage is important because many expenses like rent, utilities, and bills are planned monthly. It helps employees budget their income. It's a key skill in understanding pay structures and comparing job offers. Key terms. Annual salary is the total amount of money earned in 1 year before deductions. Number two, a monthly wage, the amount of money earned in 1 month. Number three, gross salary, salary before taxes and deductions. Number four, net salary, salary after taxes and deductions. Formula to find the monthly wage from the annual salary, we use Monthly wage is equal to annual salary divided by 12. Why divide by 12? Because there are 12 months in a year. Step-by-step procedure. Number 1, identify the annual salary. Number 2, divide the annual salary by 12 to get the monthly wage. Number 3, if you need daily wages, you can further divide by the number of work days per month. Example 1, given the annual salary 600,000 pesos, required the monthly wage. So solution, monthly wage equals to 600,000 divided by 12, you have 50,000. And the answer is 50,000 pesos per month. Example number 2, given annual salary 780,000, works 5 days a week. Monthly and daily wage is the required. And then solution, monthly wage is equals to 780,000 divided by 12 is equal to 65,000. The daily wage is equals to 65,000 divided by 20, approximate working days in a month, and equivalent to 3,250. So the answer is 65,000 per month and 3,250 per day. Important notes. Some months have different number of days, but salaries are usually fixed monthly if based on an annual salary. For daily wages, the number of work days per month varies, 20 to 26 days depending on the company policy. And then always check if the given salary is gross or net before making budget plans. Why this is useful? Helps you compare jobs offers and list salaries differently. That list differently allows you to budget monthly expenses based on annual pay, prepares you for real-world employment and contract understanding. Formulas. So, number 1, monthly wage from annual salary. Monthly wage is equal to annual salary divided by 12. Annual salary from monthly wage. Annual salary is equal to the monthly wage times number times 12. Daily wage from monthly wage based on work days per month. Daily wage is equals to the monthly wage divided by the number of work days per month. And number 4, daily wage from annual salary, direct computation. Daily wage is equals to the annual salary divided by 12 times number of work days per month. Practice problems. Okay, number 1, a teacher earns an annual salary of 720,000. Find her monthly wage. So we're given annual salary 720,000. Letter B, a required monthly wage. Solution, monthly wage equals to annual salary divided by 12. Substituting the given data, the final answer is 60,000 pesos. Number 2, Carlo has a monthly wage of 45,000 pesos. What is his annual salary? So given the monthly wage, 45,000 pesos, required the annual salary. So solution, annual salary is equal to the monthly wage times 12. Substituting the given data, the final answer is 540,000 pesos. Number 3, a company offers an annual salary of 960,000 pesos. Find the monthly wage. Given annual salary, 960,000 pesos. Required monthly wage. So solution, monthly is equal to 960,000 divided by 12. So the final answer is 80,000 pesos. Number 4, Maria earns 84,000 pesos every month. How much does she earns in 1 year? Number 5, a worker has an annual salary of 600,000 and works 5 days a week. Letter A, find the monthly wage. Letter B, find the daily wage based on the monthly wage. So solution, the monthly wage is equal to 620,000 divided by 12 is equal to 50,000. Daily wage is equal to 50,000 divided by the number of work days. So the work days per month is 20 days, and then the daily wage is 50,000 divided by 20, and that's equivalent to 2,500 pesos. Number 6. Anna's annual salary is 780,000. Find the monthly wage. Letter B. Find her daily wage if she works 6 days a week. So we're given the annual salary 780,000. We are asked to determine the monthly wage and the daily wage. So solution, monthly wage is equal to 780,000 divided by 12, it's equivalent to 65,000. And then the work days per month is 6 times 4 equal to 24 days. So the daily wage is 65,000 divided by 24. It's equivalent to 2,708 pesos and 33 centavos. Number 7. A business manager earns 1,080,000 annually. Find the monthly wage. Letter B, find the daily wage if she earns 5 days a week. Required A, monthly wage, B, daily wage. So solution, monthly wage is equal to 1,080,000 divided by 12, and that is 90,000. Letter B, work days per month is 5 times 4 equal to 20. And the daily wage now is 90,000 divided by 20 equivalent to 4,500 pesos. Number 8, Peter's monthly wage is 58,000. Letter A, find his annual salary. Letter B, if he works 22 days a month, find his daily wage. Given monthly wage 58,000, work days per month is 22. So required annual salary and then the daily wage. So the annual salary is equal to 58,000 pesos times 12, and that is 696,000. And then letter B, daily wage is equal to 58,000 divided by 22, and that's equal to 2,636 and 36 centavos. Number 9, an employer earns 1,200,000 per year. Find the monthly wage. Letter B, find the daily wage for 5 work days per week. So we are required to obtain the monthly wage and the daily wage. So solution, monthly wage will be 1,200,000 divided by 12. So you have 100,000 pesos. And the work days per month is 5 times 4 equal to 20 days. So daily wage is 100,000 divided by 20 is equal to 5,000 pesos. We will continue with lesson number 2. Okay, so